Happy Friday, friends! So I just finished filming my top 5 favorite lip product, and sorry, Puka is getting so crazy. Puka, say hi. Hi. And she just laid down there. So that was a very long overdue video already. So because I got tagged with that video and I totally forgot to film it, and yeah, I'm so happy that I was able to. So I'm just heading to the gym right now. Like, I'm so down up. I cannot be in the gym and like just sweating like right there. But anyway, Jeff is on his way, and did I mention that our microwave is broken? So we broke it. I don't know. It suddenly just stopped working for like 2 days ago. So we had to order it, and thank God for like Amazon Prime. We got it like delivered within 2 days. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat a little bit. I just ate oatmeal. So this is on my carb refeed day, so I was able to eat oatmeal this morning, and then I'm gonna be able to eat carbs again tomorrow, but that's gonna be the last until we go on vacation. So I'm gonna make sure that I will enjoy today and tomorrow for my carb refeed day. I'm not gonna go crazy, just because we're leaving soon, and I feel like my splurge is gonna be during our vacation, so I'm not gonna be too crazy today and tomorrow. Hi guys. So I'm just folding the laundry right now. It's about like 6:57, and done with the gym around 3:30, and then pick up IJ, and then that's when I started doing the laundry. Morning! Happy Saturday! IJ, say good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, he's eating his breakfast. He's having 2 sunny side up and fried rice, garlic rice, and Jeff and I will be eating protein pancake. Look at how much snow we have outside just overnight. So I think it's gonna snow up until tomorrow, but tomorrow's temperature, it's not gonna be too bad. Like right now it's like 27 degrees, and tomorrow, babe, it's gonna be what?
What, temperature?
Yeah.
35 degrees, I think.
Say good morning, baby.
Good morning.
Say good morning, Puka. Good morning. Say good morning to our friends. So yeah, I don't know if we're doing something special today, just because we really can't do anything. It's like bad outside. I mean, it's February, so it's like given that it's gonna snow, but snowstorm! Oh my god, oh my god, look at that. Where's IJ? IJ's outside. They're playing in this snow. Oh my god. They're playing at the backyard. So just wave. Come here. Hindi pa basa yung paa mo? Hindi pa basa yung paa mo? Do you wanna build a snowman? Hi guys. So, in preparation for this trip, we are still going to the gym. It's so like, look at that. It's so bad. We actually, Jeff and I were like making fun of like all the publicity that this snowstorm is getting. But yeah, it's actually pretty bad. But so IJ is just at our neighbors. They're like playing because they are done playing with the snow earlier, and then now they're just like stuck inside because there's really nothing to do outside. It's cold. So, talk to you guys later. Say bye.
Bye.
Look at me, I'm like covered with snow. It's actually not that cold. out, but we had to cut it short. It's like really coming down.
They're kicking all the cars off the road.
They're closing the entire city, just because it's like really bad. I thought they were like overly reacting on this storm, but I guess they are really not. Guys, so I guess we're just stuck in the house like the whole day. Good thing IJ is actually entertained with his friends. They're just by the other buildings. IJ, they're playing with me. IJ, wave. Good evening, guys.
Hi.
What are you eating, IJ? Tell them.
Quesadilla.
His leftover, so he had like half quesadilla earlier and then another half. So we.
Hunter X Hunter.
So he's watching a Japanese show. Like don't even.
Hunter X Hunter.
And my cute husband is there.
Hello.
He's due for his how many meal? I don't know what meal of the day.
I don't know, that's right. Probably
Yeah.
5th.
Oh, we matched tonight. Our elite health thing. I am so tired, guys. We work out our legs, and then from the gym we walk all the way from there to Jeff's work because he needed to like send an email to do some work stuff, and then we went to our friend's house.
The hat.
Yeah, because he picked up like hat. Our friend has a line, but his line it's called New York Junglist. I think you guys saw me like wearing like this sweater. But that's his line. So it's Junglist is actually one genre of music.
It's
Yeah.
a type of like drum and bass.
Yeah. It's a drum and bass.
I don't think they can see it. I'm trying to like.
Yeah. It's a drum and bass line. It says New York Junglist. It's so weird, like. So that's that. Just because our trip is coming. Oh, we went to the mall earlier just because Jeff is giving me my advance Valentine's Day gift, but I didn't have a size of the style I like, so I'm gonna go to the city tomorrow to pick it up. Valentine's Day. And our hyper cat is like right there trying to climb off the so yeah, guys, we're just gonna end the vlog. Tomorrow is Monday again. Jeff is not driving, so IJ and I were gonna hike through the snow. It's still pretty bad outside just because obviously we're not the priority of the city. We're not in Manhattan, we're in Queens. So the roads are still full of snow. Few of the roads are already clean, but not as much as I'm pretty sure Manhattan is just totally clean now, you know, because that's their priority. But yeah, we're just ending the vlog, and we want to say good night and thank you guys for watching us, and thank you for the new subscribers, our YouTube friends who always comment. We really appreciate you guys. We are coming on our trip very soon, so our vlog should be very interesting, and we will try our best. At least I will try my best to upload every single day on our, you know, from day one of our trip. It depends on how fast the internet will be. So Philippine internet is kind of bad. In Thailand, I think it's okay. I can't. How was the internet when we were in Thailand? It was okay, no? Yeah, like but we depend on the internet from the hotel, but we'll see. But I will really do my best to upload every day, just because it's gonna be very, very interesting, not just like an everyday like routine that we do. So yeah, say good night, AJ.
Good night.
Good night, everyone. Thank you for watching.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.